guys, welcome to today's video. So today is episode 8 for the Back to Basics Makeup Beginner series. So today we're going to be talking all about blush and highlighter. So the reason why I put these two together is because I recently watched a Nikilarose video where she was talking all about how to do your makeup according to your side profile, and the way that she did the blush and highlighter was amazing and I love it, and that's how I've been doing my highlighter and blush recently, and I love it. So I'm actually not going to be doing or using any creams because I feel like powders are a lot easier to use. So I don't have any makeup on right now. I am going to do a quick eye look and a quick base off camera, and then I will come right back for a highlighter and blush. Okay, I love how my makeup is turning out right now. It looks so good. I love it. Okay, now let's talk about highlighter. There's one highlighting palette that I wanted for a long time, and I got it actually not really recently, but I finally purchased it and I love it. The Dior Backstage highlighting. This is the original shade. So we are going to dip into the champagne color today. I'm going to take my Niklarose and BK Beauty, the N17 brush. We're going to use the darker fiber side. We are going to pick up a highlighter. I'm going to pre-blend it on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to start applying it right on top of the cheekbone. Right on top. I do sometimes mix in the white shade. I'm actually going to do that right now. So if you like, I can lighten it just a little bit. Another place where I like highlight is kind of like right above the arch of the brow. So I'm only going to, let's still mix the two colors and just place this right here. I love that look. That looks so good. And I do already have a brow bone highlight from when I did my eyes, so that's already done. I don't need to add any highlighter there. Now let's move into powder blush. So I'm going to take the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Duo. This one is in the shade Not Too Much. I'm only going to take the powder side. I'm going to use the Ravie Beauty Blush Brush. I'm only going to pick up a small amount and again pre-blend it on the back of my hand and start applying it. So pretty. Love it. Okay, I'm going to come back with the lips done. You guys, look what just came in the mail. The new Hunger Games book. I am so excited. I've read all of the Hunger Games books. I think the Hunger Games is my favorite book series. They're just so good. So I am so excited to start reading this one. Okay, wow, I love this look. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys tomorrow for episode 9, where we're going to be talking about how to make your makeup last all day. See you guys in my next video.